Hi there, my friend Will here over to XAUUSD.com, and finally I'm back again with your free trading setup for the week ahead. This is one of my favorite setups for the week ahead, starting the 8th of May 2022. Sorry I haven't been posting in the past 4 or 5 weeks. I've just had some family issues where I found out I'm going to be a father for the first time. So let's get into the actual setup. So this week's free setup is going to be on the Aussie Kiwi, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact reason why I'm looking to enter this trade this week. And yeah, so before we get started, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. So let's get into the actual trade setup. Okay, it's a very basic one. Okay, we're at the top of this range on the monthly charts. Okay, you can see that every time we go up, to this level. Sorry, my line's not working here. Okay, it's kind of the top of the range here. We're ranging from the bottom here and into this level here. Okay, around the 111 area. So you can see we're at this area now. It's on the monthly charts. Last week we rallied up into it, and you can see we got the initial reaction there. You can see the weekly charts here. We have a weekly area just at the start of this weekly level. Okay, and this is it looking like a good move all the way back down to 105, the 105, 104 area, right down to this bottom line here. And if we look at the daily charts, as you can see, we've had this move up here. We'll see if we've had any divergence signals on this coming into it. Okay, daily chart moving up into this area. We can see we've had a daily divergence signal here, and it's slowly moving back up. I do believe this is the last pop up into this area here before we get a nice sell off. Same thing happening on the 4-hour charts. Okay, rally up into the area, and you can see the nice rounded top here, the nice sell off into this area. So what I'm expecting to happen this week is the markets just to pop up a little bit back up into the area, maybe around the 111 area, and then sell off around about Tuesday, Wednesday area this week. We will see. So that is the setup. Again, very basic setup. We're at this monthly top of this monthly range area here. We've drawn the box at that monthly area where we are now. We've got a weekly area. Okay, here. Prices rallied up into the area. We've got the change of structure as it's hit the area. And all we're really basically waiting for now is divergence. If you can see on the 1-hour chart here, we've started to get that. The MACD is moving down. Price has started to rally back up. Okay, so we've got the divergence on that chart. Like I said, the MACD is moving down. So I do expect it to move pop up this week, early this week, and then sell off the rest of the week. And this, like I said, this could be one we could hold for a few weeks, all the way back down to the bottom of this monthly range. Okay, so the actual level, if I can get type it out here, so it's sell AUDNZD. NZD 108. Okay, stop loss 1.12. Take profit. Okay, again, all the way, we can hold this all the way down, 105, and break even. Okay, break even is once price goes to this level here, which will be 110. You simply close 50% of your position and move your stop loss to the entry price. So that is it. So that's the trade for this week. Again, trade at your own risk. It's a very nice setup. Just enter as a pending order. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Happy trading. If you want to get access to the new Day Trader X weekly and daily system where it's completely automated. I simply send you the levels. You spend 5 or 10 minutes setting the levels each day and each week, and it will simply do everything for you. Enter, exit, and move the trades to break even. Completely automated trading system. Okay. Simply click the link below. And if you've any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Happy trading, and yeah, see you on the next video.